kid, I used to listen to them on this little speaker on the television and thought, gee, isn't that neat? When I got older, I put these big speakers on either side of me and I'd listen to their music and just let it wash over me to relax me. And now here I'm hearing it live. I just can't believe how incredible this sound is. And the crowd we got here tonight, oh, it's just fantastic. And I want to thank everybody who came tonight.
Now this is the legacy band. It is the main and
this is
the one down the line, right?
This is a legacy band. This is the band that followed the original Glenn Miller Orchestra. But these musicians are the equal or even superior to the original musicians who played this music. And they've added a lot of new tunes over the years. These guys have been traveling the world. They do a tour in Japan every year that lasts 2-3 months. They're just incredible. Incredible musicians, and what an incredible performance.
Well, it's a lovely evening. The club does this from time to time?
The club will be doing a lot more of this kind of thing from here forward. This is the first time we've had a band of this sort, and with this many people in a room to hear an orchestra of this type, but I can assure you in the future you're going to see a lot more of this at Halifax River Yacht Club.
Thank you very much. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We are the Glenn Miller Orchestra. Our goodwill ambassador. Sierra Las Estrellas. Natalie Ranks to the Moonlight Serenaders.